Unlock your inner artist and dive into the world of upward creativity with Instantart Io. Let's begin by navigating the Instantart Io website. Upon landing on the homepage, you'll be greeted by a visually stimulating gallery of AI-generated art, showcasing the platform's impressive capabilities. To get started, simply locate and click the prominent Create button. This will take you to the core image generation interface. Here, the magic happens. You'll see a text input field where you can describe your desired artwork. Be descriptive. Think about the subject, style, colors, and mood you envision. For instance, you could type, "A majestic wolf howling at a starry night sky," in a fantasy art style. Below the prompt field, you'll find a variety of style presets. Experiment with these to instantly change the artistic direction of your creation, from photorealistic to anime or surreal. There's a style to match almost any aesthetic. Click on different styles to see how they dramatically alter your image results. Once you've finalized your prompt and chosen a style, click the Generate button. You'll see a progress indicator as the AI works its magic, transforming your words into a visual masterpiece. Once your artwork is ready, you'll see it displayed. You'll have several options here. You can save it to your Instantart Io profile, download it to your device, or share it directly with the community. Speaking of the community, explore the Gallery or Explore section to discover what other users have created. It's a fantastic source of inspiration and a great way to see the diverse applications of Instantart Io. You can browse by trending, recent, or even specific artists. Each piece of shared art often comes with the prompt used to create it, allowing you to learn from others and even remix their ideas. Clicking on a user's profile lets you see their entire collection of AI-generated art. Instantart Io empowers you to experiment, create, and share your unique visions. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and start generating your own stunning AI art today.